Good morning, everyone. This is now the third time that am making this video. Oh, the devil don't want me to send out this message. You want to keep us in a wild state and in a angry and in a painful state. But there's good news. For the first time in a long time, there's good news. So we are walking into a new direction, because you can't go into a new season and the season look exactly the same like yesterday. We are out of our confusing stage, and we are going into a very clear and uh, um, and the promise that we've been waiting for is coming into fruition. So I'm telling you now, I just want to share this dream with you this morning. Oh yes, it's Julia Johnson speaking. So this morning I had a dream about I was making this bed, and I went to fetch the linen for the bed. So I was looking for the green pillowcases. And the more pillowcases I took out of the cupboard, the more pillowcases was falling out. When all these pillowcases were green and new pillowcases. Now here is my story. Saturday my hairdresser was here, and we were talking about our lives. So she was telling me about her a painful moment that she had. Her mother and the brother died in a week's time. And after 5 months, a sister and the husband died 2 weeks apart. So she lost 4 people in 5 months' time. And we were discussing about why did we have to go through so many pain. So here's the thing that happened. She was doing my hair and she started to burn my hair. And I did my hair. And she said, sorry, but don't worry. You'll be wild. You're wild. That is the words she constantly say. I just want to tell you guys, look like I am not the one who's making this video because, okay, it's going smooth again. So at the end of when she was done with my hair looking very, very beautiful. So now I come back to the psalm. So the message I see also in this story was God was assuring me we went through a painful period in our lives, but the results of it is going to be worth a while. I'm going to Psalm 23 verse 2 now. He makes me to lie down in green pastures. He leads me beside quiet waters.